Hi there, today we're unboxing a Wi-Fi smart bulb. So this particular bulb has been purchased off Amazon for around $16.99. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Got some facts there about sort of costs, depending on using for 3 hours per day and your energy rates. So they're saying 84 cents. It's obviously very low power usage. 7 watts, it's saying. But I think that's equivalent of around 60 watts on a normal bulb. So let's have a flip round. And nothing more. So let's have a look inside the packaging. So I've been buying a few of these, so I thought I'd try a different brand out this time, just due to the cost being slightly cheaper. So the bulb, and then we've got some instructions. So let me quickly open that up. Straightforward sort of details there, all in English. And that side, another language, so that's fine. So, okay, so let's check out the actual bulb that comes in the packaging. Surprisingly, a little bit of weight to that. I expected it to be a bit lighter than that, so I guess it must be the components in there. Nice sort of standard shape there. Obviously it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. I have seen some that are sort of a chrome finish there with some slits in there, maybe just to cool it. But I guess the nice thing about this is it blends in quite nicely if you've got existing bulbs like that. And a nice sort of diffuser over it so you don't see the glare directly on the light. So yeah, standard sort of bayonet fitting on there. So all good. So let me have a quick flick through the instructions and I'll show how to set this up. Okay, so I've had a flick through the instructions. So the app you're after from the Play Store is Smart Life. So I've already got this on my Android phone. So if I start it up, you'll go straight in there. But generally you will have to register it. And then obviously there you can get into it. So these type of bulbs are actually cloud-based, so hence why you need the app. So if I click add, and we'll go to lighting device, and now it's saying power on the light and confirm that the light rapidly blinks. Now, if you plug the light in and it doesn't rapidly blink, then what you do, you just turn it off and then on repeatedly, maybe 5-6 times, and then afterwards it sort of resets the configuration, and then you can get it into this sort of configuration mode. So let me show the light and the app at the same time. So let me reposition the camera. So I've plugged the light into the bayonet fitting and it's flashing away as expected. So I've got the app open here. I'm gonna confirm the light is rapidly blinking by clicking that button, but I'm gonna do that off screen because it's gonna show my Wi-Fi password. So let me do that. It's showing my Wi-Fi password. I've clicked confirm and now it's attempting to connect. So if it doesn't automatically show you your Wi-Fi password, just type it in and there you go, it's connecting now. Give it a moment. And the nice thing about these type of bulbs is the fact it's cloud-based. So there you go. It's added it in. It's got dining room there because I've already had a go at adding this in. Hence why it's automatically come up as that. So if I just say done, there you go, as simple as that. So being cloud-based, you can actually remotely control it without having to open any ports on your router. So it's quite a nice functionality there. So let's show it in action. Okay, just to show the additional functionality you get with this light. So if I power it on, you can see some additional options appear at the bottom. So this is quite nice. You can actually change the color if you wanted to. So that's quite cool. You can change obviously the level, how bright it is, etc. sort of standard stuff you can do with these things anyway. Let's go back into it, change it back to white. And the nice thing about these sort of lights is the timer function. So I can add a timer, set your time. You can say when you want it to turn on, for example, and when you want it to switch off as well. So really good like that. And just to show, let me turn my Wi-Fi off and we'll go straight into the data. So there you go, there's data. You can see 4G connection there. You hold it closer and there you go, straight away without having to mess around with anything. And also functionality with Google Home. So I can shout out and just say, okay Google, turn on dining room light.
Okay, turning the dining room light on.
Okay Google, turn off dining room light.
Okay, turning off the dining room light.
There you go. An awesome product, very easy to configure. And I hope it's helped anyone thinking of buying it. So there you go. Thanks for viewing and don't forget to like and subscribe.